Hey Chevies, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually Chevalier, just in case you didn't know. So today's video is a luxury haul for my bags and some items that I got that were gifted to me. This is like a beginner friendly because I didn't start getting designer until last year of my birthday, and I just, you know, I got addicted. Also, shout out to Dossier for sponsoring this video. If we're a designer, we also gotta have designer perfumes on a budget. I have 3 perfumes that I want to show you guys. What I love about Dossier is that everything starts at $29. The first perfume I want to show you is called Floretero Almond, and this is inspired Carolina Herrera. I actually already have Carolina Herrera, so I love this scent so much. So with Dossier, they mimic other scents, designer scents, as that. Actually, you can get Dossier just in case you want to re-up and wait until you re-up to your big bottle. You could get Dossier for under $29. And when I tell you it smells exactly the same, it smells exactly like the original bottle that I got. If I'm willing to try out a perfume and I don't want to spend so much money, I'll just definitely go to Dossier, and you can use my coupon code to get extra money off. So let's get straight into the video.
Slipping, said I got a man but he won't listen, and he's just fine say that what we do is so wrong. I don't wanna be right, like, does he even take care of you? If not, baby girl, I don't mind sharing you. And I just might. Then I found out he got another woman in his life. They don't know, won't kill him.
I'm gonna start off from what I got first to what I got last. I'm not gonna say too much on the items because I do have individual videos for each and single item to show you guys every detail, the pros, the cons, all that. I'm gonna give you a little here and there information about the bag, but if you want a full detailed video, it will always be linked above me or in the description box. First item that I ever got is this Ysl bag. It's from Saint Laurent, as you know, YSL. I bought this bag all by myself for my birthday. I was like, you know what, I'm turning 23, I deserve this, I have the funds for it. If I buy it, I know I'm gonna have money left over. Don't buy designer if you know you're not gonna have money left over. It's not worth it, trust me. I actually got this bag from farfetch.com. I bought it for $1,250. I feel like this is a great starter packet bag. I also did get like a little discount. Shout out to my best friend because she found it for me. It always comes with a little dust bag. That's what I love about designer. It comes with the dust bag. This is the bag. I got me the Ysl Toy Lulu. This bag is so chic to me. I feel like it's worth it, and the fact that it's like a mini bag but still also kind of big, if you know what I'm saying. It's so pretty, it's so elegant. Like, going somewhere with this bag is just top tier. Like, wearing it and everything, like, look at this. Isn't this so cute? Like the whole Y and everything. It fits a lot of stuff. I even have this little tag on it, this little blue tag right here. I never took it off, but this is the close-up of the bag. Like, do you see the leather? It's just so pretty, and I just feel like it's worth it. Like, the texture, when I first got it, it was so hard. Now it's getting a little bit loosened because I've been wearing it, but I try not to wear it so much. Like, even with this outfit, my whole outfit is from Shein, but then I have a whole designer bag. It looks like I spent a lot of money on my whole entire outfit. But yeah guys, this has to be one of my favorite bags, and I'm happy this was the first bag I ever got. And it's more like of a wallet, but you can still fit a lot of stuff in here. Like, you have the zipper there, you have, now with this one, I actually got this for my birthday from my best friend, and she got it from Essence, and it comes just like this, you know. Still comes with authentic card, still comes with its little dust bag, which is so cute. This is what the card holder looks like. The material is so strong, guys. I've used this card holder like so many times. I don't want to bring no cash, no nothing. This is my go-to to match my bag. It's just so pretty. It says the YSL. It has like 1, 2, 3, 4 slots to hold your cards. I didn't even know about this. Wow. Guys, whole entire time I thought it was like 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 slots. Tell me why there's another slot right here. my bestie probably looking at me like, Ashley, you so dumb. So the next item that I did get, I'm so excited. This is my first Louis Vuitton bag. I do have a video on this and the Saint Laurent already. I'm gonna keep on saying that so you guys could watch the full detailed video and see if you guys really want the bag. This is the Alma BB in the monogram. Comes just like this. Put it in the store and it came up to like $1,600 something. And this is the bag. A Louis bag has to be part of your collection. The fact that you could wear this as a handle, you know, it doesn't really look cute with this outfit right now, but you could wear this with the handle. And also get the crossbody. So this is how the bag looks as a crossbody, and it's just so cute. So it's like you could dress it up and you could dress it down. This bag could fit so much stuff. If you looked at my detailed video of this bag, my regular daily stuff that I leave out the house with can fit in this bag. I wanted to show you guys the detail of the bag. Like, I love the red lining of the handle, and then like if you see the monogram, it just looks so pretty. And then you could have this here, and it comes with keys. And it comes with keys because it has a lock like right here, so you could take off the lock, and the lock is actually valuable and you could resell it. And that's what I love about luxury items. Luxury items is definitely an investment. This bag is definitely worth it for me. This is so cute. I try not to use this bag so much. This bag is like a baby. That's the only con about this bag. It's a baby because like once you get water stains over here and over here, the mark will be there. If you put lotion on and you don't let the lotion dry on your hands, it will stay there. Another item that I did get is a massage coat. Now this is not a bag, but it's a coat. There are some designer coats out there, and this is one of the coats that I wanted. I wanted this coat for so long. Before I became into designer, a designer coat is what I wanted. Like, I didn't want no bag, I wanted a coat. Shout out to my best friend. She got this for me as a graduation gift because I graduated college. Woo woo. Coat runs up to $990, I believe. This is so cute and huge. The only thing I didn't like about this company is that the sizing is so horrible because, you know, it's not from the US. So like me, I actually needed a extra large, so a 2XL, because I went into the store in the city and it actually fit too tight. Like, this coat is so pretty. Now be aware, it does have real fur. This is the coat. I'm trying to show you guys as much as possible. I know it looks huge, but it's because I'm huge. This coat is also another valuable coat because if you don't want it no more, there's people on like Mercari or Poshmark, they're actually reselling their coat and you could definitely buy it. Like, even trying this on is still kind of like tight. It's crazy right now wearing shorts and then a coat, but I live in New York, so it gets very, very, very cold out here. Yeah, guys, this is what the coat looks like. It just gives me bougie vibes. Look at me. I'm a bad bitch. I look like I'm in a music video. Chain, chain, getting paid over here. Chain, chain, and then. Guys, look at the fur. Look at the fur. It's moving like I'm moving. Just like that. I low-key wanted to get it tucked in a little bit, but it's like I'll just wear a sweater. This is what it looks like. I hope you guys could see it, but it's really cute. Ugh, guys, it's so cute and so bougie. Like, and I wanted a navy because I just love colors during the winter. So like, I like how they have like the Macaj sign right here. Hope you guys can see it, but they have a sign right here so you know it's Macaj too. But yeah, this coat, it's fire. Like, I need to take it off because I'm kind of hot. And guys, it comes with its own hanger. Isn't that so cute? So the last item that I did get is a Fendi bag. Ugh, guys, this is so cute. Essence was having a sale, so I was like, oh my god, I want this bag. And my boyfriend went ahead and got me the bag. This is the bag. It's so cute. It didn't come in a luxury box. It only came with a dust bag. So that's the only thing I didn't like about it. That it comes with a handle, and it's also a crossbody. So the fact that you could take the handles off, and then, you know, when it's nice in summertime, you could just wear it as a handle. But knowing me, I like to have, I like the best of both worlds. Fendi Roma right here, and then it says made in Italy. Beautiful, and in the style, they come in so many, so there's not gonna be one that you don't like you're gonna find one. Brownish color, it just looks so cute, and it has like, you know, the little F sign for Fendi, the holes to put the crossbody, you could take it off. Like guys, this is so worth it. And then, you know, the whole like zipping it in right here, closing it, it's just so cute. Like, this is definitely a cute everyday bag that's Fendi. Like, I definitely worth it. This is the bottom, it's leather here, and then here, and then the strap, but then right here is like, you know, kind of like a netted stump, a netted area, but it's definitely, that's how cute it is. Like guys, this is my favorite bag, especially out of all bags. I think this is one of my favorite casual bag to just relax and chill. That concludes the video. I hope you guys are inspired to get some of the items that I show you guys. All the links will be linked down in the description box. As always, shout out to Dossier for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Get to know me and I get to know you. Follow me on all my social media, especially Instagram. And I see you Chevies later.